Hey plant gang, glad you're joining us here. This grass-like plant in front of me is Hemerocallis or Daylily. Now, if you're familiar with plants at all, this may be one that you've seen before. It's one of the most popular American gardening plants. In fact, it's one of the most popular garden plants throughout the world. It comes in a lot of colors, not just the ones that I have in my hand here. It comes in different flower shapes and sizes. Why is it called Daylily? Because the flowers just last one day. And you can see that these big stalks, they're called scapes, have started to really emerge. I'm talking right now really in the heart of the time for daylilies, which is at the end of June. This is when daylilies really come into their own, and you start to see a lot of daylilies. In fact, throughout East Tennessee, throughout other parts of the world, there's daylily festivals where people celebrate this flower. This is a full sun plant. Don't make the mistake of putting this in too much shade. It won't really last. One thing that you can do is take these scapes out after they bloom to continue prolonged blooming. And it's a great summer plant. It's a plant that you're going to see in the home landscape quite a bit. There are re-blooming varieties that bloom for longer seasons. Look out for those. One of the most popular ones is called Stella d'Or. That's a very popular one. But that one has now been replaced with more modern cultivars. And so you really should know Daylily, Hemerocallis. It's a great plant for the home landscape. Hardy through wide swaths of the country between zones 3 and 9, so very hardy. And a plant, when you need a full sun situation, this is a great one to add. Again, Hemerocallis or Daylily. This is in the Liliaceae family. It is a lily, again hardy from zones 3 through 9. Clumps can be of variable sizes. There's very short daylilies, but also very tall ones. Just as generalities, we would say that this gets from 1 to 3 foot high. Clumps can spread out to 4 foot wide. They do really benefit from dividing every once in a while. And here's a landscape tip. Thousands of cultivars. Flowers generally last only one day. Remove spent blooms to prolong flowering.